Hi, my name is Aaron Marcus, and if you're not familiar with me or my work, I've been a full-time actor and a commercial model for over 30 years. I've been very fortunate. I've booked over 1,200 jobs so far. Perhaps you saw my recurring role on House of Cards, worked on Gotham, Mr. Robot, Halt and Catch Fire, Rectify, The Wire, worked on feature films, worked on hundreds of television commercials, hundreds and hundreds of commercial modeling jobs, radio spots, narrations. And let me just tell you, it was really hard when I first got started. I didn't have contacts. I didn't have mentors. I didn't have anybody I could turn to ask for help. And honestly, I spent years doing things by trial and error, spent a lot of time, a lot of money. I wouldn't say wasted, but I certainly didn't need to do it. And I could have furthered my career much faster if I had some help. And that's why I love giving in-person workshops. And I'm going to be in New York on January the 26th. And from 1 to 5 o'clock, I'm going to have a personalized seminar. And it's limited to a small group, so that way everybody will get individualized attention. And whether you're just trying to break into the industry or you've been in the industry for a while and you want to jump to the next level, this is going to be the perfect session for you. It's one that I wish I could have attended. I'm going to teach you everything from how to use your nervousness to your advantage, how to find agents both locally and in distant markets, audition techniques for film, for television, for TV commercials. We'll even have a practice audition for a TV commercial, a practice go-see for a commercial modeling job, record it, play back, critique it. It will just give you tremendous information and a real game plan of what you need to do to have success. You're going to learn how to find agents both locally and in distant markets. You're going to learn how to shoot auditions from home. We can talk about unions. Should you join? Should you not join? How do you join? Advantages and disadvantages. We'll talk about contracts, how to create effective headshots, commercial shots that will grab the attention of industry professionals. It's just going to be an amazing day and a great investment in your career. So you can copy and paste the link that you see below, or depending on where you're watching this video, you can also click the link below and register. And here's the cool thing. For the first 5 people who register, I am going to give you a free season pass membership. That's a $297 savings. Season pass membership, just really quickly, you will have free access to every monthly interview that I do. We get together online monthly, and you can ask me any questions that you have. You also get over $2,300 worth of acting and modeling materials. It's just incredible. I've never offered this free before, but if you do sign up and you're one of the first 5 people who register for this workshop, you will become a season pass member for 2019. So copy and paste the link below, or click the link below and make sure you register as soon as possible. Like I said, I'm going to have a limited amount of people I will accept, so that way I can work with everyone privately and personally. And love to see you in New York, January 26th, 1 to 5. I'm Aaron Marcus. If you have any questions at all, feel free to email me at Aaron, AARON, at howtoactandmodel.com. See you in New York.